I hope you're well. So I'm going to plan today for the month of July in my Hemlock Oak B5 Minimalist Planner, and as usual I'm going to be using the Coffee Monsterz Co sticker kits, and the theme for July is Secluded Cottage. So I'm going to quickly show you what we'll be working with, and as usual the full haul of the monthly kits is linked down below. And then once I've done that, we'll get working on my July overview.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass, I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen in all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer
Is there a place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty faces and sand on the ground? I wanna stop this ongoing train before I lose my mind and go insane. I don't wanna sleep every night. I wanna light a spark in the dark. I don't wanna say I'm okay, living the same every day. Come run beside me, let's take off. Let's leave this place for another place.
Okay, so I'm just going to have a look at my little reference at the back. This is really handy. And I'm going to use 772 to start marking in my monthly plans. I'm actually off work at the minute because I'm getting used to new medication. So I will be back on the 14th of July. So I'm just using the 772 to make little dashes, and then putting in a little label to write sick leave. And then the 13th is actually a bank holiday, so I'm going to use the UK sheet from Coffee Monsterz Co to put in the bank holiday, and then mark in that I'll be back to work on the 14th. My sick leave and work in. I also have the 11th and 12th and back to work, and now I'm just marking in some lash appointments, and I just used a label and a little speech bubble icon for each of them. And I also have in my niece's birthday there on the 10th, and then I'm going to put in payday on the 20th. And then I have another niece's birthday on the 29th, and I'm just going to do the same thing with a little label and a balloon to mark that in.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do, okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. Set aside every empty spreadsheet line and loosen up on the grind. Simmer down, settle back and mess around. Be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better